everyone. Sorry for late video. We just got back a couple days ago from the vacation. Now we're just checking up on the birds. So yeah, things are got a little crazy.
Yeah.
Say hey, Grant.
Hey.
Yeah, that's my little boy. Alright, so here is the video. Oh, look at the babies. They're so tiny. They just hatched like a couple days before we left, maybe. Or something like that. I don't know. I haven't really checked on them before we left. I just got back from the vacation, so now here are the babies. Look. He thinks it's feeding time. Like, where's my food? Give me my food. Yeah. Oh, look. Comment down below and let me know how many babies you see right there. And give a thumbs up and hit the bell if you want to see some more videos. These are so cute. Look at them. Aww. Alright, here are the babies now. You guys should be happy. They hatched. They're healthy. Apparently, I think I see about 2. I could be wrong, but I see 2. Oh, they're so cute. They open their mouth. They're ready for food. Say bye-bye, birdies. Say bye-bye, babies. Oh, there he goes, baby.